I am here on my terrace doing some yoga and deep stretches. Gotta take care of this beautiful body that has been there with me for so long. It has been my best friend. It has been through thick and thin and still didn't give up on me. So it's my duty to nourish it with deep stretches and fresh fruits and vegetables. It's an honor to take care of this beautiful body, to keep it clean, to keep it free from any toxins. Wow. I'm super grateful for my body. This song that I sang with the intention to inspire you to care for your body, to give it love, to give it the presence. Your